Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to check for the software updates, preferably Wi-Fi, especially in the situation if you will decide that you want to download the update. And after that, you can open the settings. In the settings, you need to scroll all the way down to find the software update section and tap on it. And here, simply tap on check for updates. Now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.